first things first, we want to factor this to see what's going on. So factor that, x plus 2, x minus 1. And we check nothing's canceling. So close though, right? Very close. Let me check. So if something had canceled, it would have been a whole, but nothing is canceling, so we move on. Our vertical asymptotes, so where the bottom equals 0 at -2 and at 1. My horizontal, the bottom power is a 2 versus the top, which is a 1, so it's a bigger bottom, so y is 0. I check to see whether I ever cross my horizontal, so set your function 2x minus 4 over x squared plus x minus 2 equal to whatever you got for your horizontal, that's 0. When you cross multiply, the bottom ends up knocking itself out, so I get 2x minus 4 equals 0. Solving that, you'll get x is 2. So it again crosses when x is 2. They seem to like that. So it crosses when x is 2. So now we're going to check for the y-intercept, which always happens when the x is 0. So when the x is 0, I'll have 0 minus 4, 0 plus 0 minus 2. So -4 over -2 is 2. And then the x-intercept always happens when the y is 0. So if this is the y, if that's supposed to equal 0, if you cross multiply, the bottom will knock itself out, and you'll get 0 equals 2x minus 4, so x equals 2. Again, my x-intercept happens to be at the same spot where it crosses the horizontal. They tend to do that in the beginning. They don't like you to find it for yourself. It always ends up happening. It's like, oh look, it's where that happens. But it could have happened anywhere. So your vertical is at -2 and at 1. Your horizontal is y equals 0. You cross the horizontal when x is 2, and you have a y-intercept of 0, 2, and an x-intercept of 2, 0. Now again, because I know this is the only place where it can cross this horizontal asymptote, I know my function is safe up here. This is just like the last one. And then I'm going to cross over and be down here, because again these are all coming from odd multiplicities, so it's going to alternate over the asymptotes. So I'm down, and then I come back to hug the asymptote there. Since I'm up on this side, I'll be down on this side, and I'm not going to cross again because I already figured out that's the only place it crosses. Cool, just like the last one.